In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Gantt chart in Lucidchart. If you're looking to organize your projects more effectively and visually track your tasks, a Gantt chart can be an invaluable tool. It helps you break down your projects into stages, showing timelines and dependencies to give you a great overview of your project's progress. So let's get started and create your own Gantt chart using Lucidchart. First, we'll head on over to Lucid's website. Simply open your browser and type in lucid.co. You'll land on their homepage, which is your gateway to starting your project. If you haven't yet visited Lucidchart, it might be a good idea to bookmark the site for easy access in the future. Once you're at the website, you'll want to log in. Look for the Login button at the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to open the login interface. If you're not yet registered, Lucidchart offers a convenient option to sign up using Google. This makes the entire process pretty straightforward and saves you the hassle of remembering yet another password. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the main account area. Here you'll find all your documents, along with the option to create new ones. Hit the New button to kick off your first Gantt chart project. This will present you with a few different ways to begin, and for a more structured approach, select Create from Template. In the Template section, you'll see a search bar. Type in Gantt chart to find the relevant options you can start working with. Lucidchart offers a variety of templates that cater to different project needs, so take a moment to browse through them and find one that looks right for your project. Once you've settled on a template that seems to suit your needs, click on it. This will bring up the template preview, giving you a clearer idea of how it looks and what elements are included. If everything checks out and you're satisfied with your choice, simply click on Use Template. Congratulations, you now have a basic Gantt chart structure in front of you. From here, you can start customizing the chart to accurately reflect your project requirements. Adjust the tasks, timelines, and dependencies to fit your particular workflow, and watch as your ideas take shape into a detailed project plan. With Lucidchart, you'll find it straightforward to modify and update your chart as your project evolves. And there you have it, a professional-looking Gantt chart crafted in Lucidchart that will help keep your projects on track and your team informed. Happy charting!